In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Figma for free. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. First, you need to start by accessing your Figma workspace. This is where all your design magic happens. Go ahead and open a new tab in your browser and type in Figma's URL or click on your existing shortcut. Once you're in, it's time to get creative. Next, what we want to do is open up the plugin menu. To do that, you can either click on the action button located at the top right corner or simply press Ctrl-K on your keyboard. This brings up a search bar. Here, type plugins and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can find various plugins available for Figma. Now comes the exciting part. In the search bar of the plugins, type Icon 8. This is a fantastic resource for free icons. Once you see the Icon 8 plugin in your search results, select it. This will prompt Figma to load the plugin for you, and you'll be ready to move forward. Once you have the plugin loaded, click on the Run button that appears. This should display the Icon 8 interface, where all those icon treasures await you. At this point, you're officially in the land of icons, illustrations, and photos that you can use for your projects. Take a moment to explore the options. You'll find an array of icons that follow different themes and styles. This is where you can really express your creativity and find the perfect visuals for your design. To make your search a bit easier, consider applying filters. You can find options that allow you to customize the results based on categories or styles. Click on the icons you need and make sure to utilize these filtering options to zero in on exactly what you're looking for. Once you've found some icons that really resonate with your design, it's time to bring them into your workspace. Just click on the specific icons you want, and they'll show up in your document. You can resize them, customize their colors, and set them to fit perfectly in your design. And let's not forget, once you have your icons, there's an option called Highlight. This feature allows you to pick up on specific designs, trends, or color schemes that work well with the icons you've chosen. It's a nifty little tool to ensure your designs maintain a cohesive look. So to recap what you just learned, you start from your Figma workspace, access the plugin menu, search for Icon 8, click to run it, explore the vast selection of icons, apply the filters to customize your search, and finally, bring your chosen icons into your design. Remember, Figma is all about creativity, so don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and layouts. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips. Happy designing!